Hey there, Allie from bakingamoment.com. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Now that that's behind us, it's time to move on to the winter holiday season. And today I'm going to share a really fun little kitchen project that can be used in all sorts of different ways. Sugared cranberries. I've been meaning to show you how to do this for such a long time because not only are sugared cranberries delicious to eat, but they're so pretty to look at. They make a beautiful adornment to all sorts of different dishes, and they're super simple to make. In fact, you only need 3 ingredients. They've got a sweet, tart flavor, almost like a sour candy. You can add them to your baked goods. They're great in cakes, cupcakes, muffins, breads, and they're just so fun and seasonal. Here's what you're gonna need to get started. A bag of fresh cranberries, some white sugar, just regular granulated sugar, and some water. You're also going to need a pot, a wire cooling rack, and something to fish the cranberries out with. I think a spider is really great for this. If you don't have one of those, you can just use a slotted spoon. Before we go any further, I would love it if you could just click the like button. It helps me out so much more than you could ever imagine. I really appreciate it. All right, now, the first thing you want to do is just make a simple syrup. This is going to act as the glue that makes the sugar stick to the fruit. If you're not already familiar with the idea of a simple syrup, it's just sugar and water stirred together. You're going to heat it a little bit just to get the sugar melted and fully dissolved into the liquid. So pop the sugar and the water into your pot, set it over medium heat, let that sugar melt, stir it all up, and that's all there is to it. Next, you're just going to add your cranberries to the pot. Let them roll around a little bit in that sticky syrup. You're not really trying to cook the cranberries. You just kind of want to bathe them in the simple syrup. Fish them out with your spider or your slotted spoon and transfer them to your wire cooling rack. Do your best to make sure that none of the berries are touching each other. If they are, then they're going to stick together, and when you go to pull them apart, there will be a spot that's not sticky where the sugar won't be able to adhere. Leave them sit and dry. You'll know you're ready when they no longer feel wet. They should just feel very tacky and sticky to the touch. So now you're just going to gather them up off of the wire rack and toss them around in some white granulated sugar. This makes them taste really nice and sweetens them up, but more than anything else, it just gives them this beautiful, frosty, kind of wintry look. You can use these to garnish a platter, along with some fresh sprigs of rosemary. It just looks so holiday, so wintry and seasonal. You can also use them to garnish cupcakes. I absolutely love the look that they give to a Yule log cake, or even just display them in your home as decor in a pretty glass bowl. And as a matter of fact, this method doesn't just work for fresh cranberries. You can use it on all different kinds of winter fruits and even on greenery. There's lots more info on how to do this on my website, bakingamoment.com, which is linked here in the description. I hope you enjoy this cute little winter holiday idea. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and hit the subscribe button if you want to get a notification every time I come out with a new tutorial. Enjoy!